Our November 2009 usage survey found that 42% of us don't know how much online content we're downloading each month. But if you exceed the limit set by your broadband provider, you could find yourself hit with extra charges or even having your speed capped. But there is an easy way to avoid all this. First, find out your monthly download limit. Do this by checking it on your contract or simply phone your broadband supplier's customer services. Then download broadbandchoices.co.uk's free download monitor. You can set this so you can see a running total of your broadband usage each month. Armed with this useful info, you'll know whether it will pay to have a higher or lower download limit on your broadband package. Get the free download monitor from our website, broadbandchoices.co.uk.